Hello, welcome back to the boat tour. So today we are lucky enough to be on the Sunseeker 95, built in England in Poole in 2018. So this particular boat is for sale with Bush & Noble on their website, so you can contact them with any questions or if you'd like to arrange a viewing. This particular boat is in Dubai, ready to go, UAE flagged as well. So we'll get you on board, make you look round. The accommodation, you can see the amazing layout and the options that this boat has. And my favourite, as always, I want to show you the engine room in this boat. It looks brand new, clean, it looks like it's never been used. So come on board, come and have a look round. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Coming up these huge stairs, we've got the stairs port and starboard. These really nice boarding gates, nice and safe as well if you've got young children or even animals. A huge table here, so this is a fold leaf, so that goes in, makes it easier to get in and out. An amazing Sunseeker logo in the glass. Down there, which we'll show you later on, you'll see the bathing platform, so that's hydraulic up and down for the tender to go in. We've got access to the crew cabin and also a small garage for cleaning equipment or sea bobs, anything that you need. Where you are now, we've got the saloon with these huge sliding doors, access to the bow, port and starboard, and then we've got these huge stairs to go up onto the Flybridge. Docking station here on the starboard side, making it nice and easy for crew when they're docking in and out, depending on what side they are. Anything you can need to make it easier, this boat has. Passerelle for the Med, Passerelle for Dubai, anywhere in the Middle East or anywhere you would like to take this boat. Heading inside into this luxury saloon, you can see here on the starboard side, we've got this really nice bar. We've got the glasses fitted in their spaces, so even when you're rocking, they don't fall anywhere. Here on the port hand side, we've got this huge U-shaped seating with light upholstery to make the area really feel a lot bigger, which complements this 360 degree view with these massive windows, made even wider by this balcony door here on the starboard side. So this is a patio door, slides all the way across. And then we have a hydraulic balcony that will fold down and give you that extra space if you want to dine, if you just want to have your coffees there in the morning. Here we've got this fixed hardwood table for either dining or business meetings, or this large flat screen TV. Through here in the port passage, this will take you to the galley, and over on the starboard hand side here, this will take you to the accommodation and also up onto the bridge. This galley is a chef's dream. We've got Miele appliances all the way through. We've got the dishwasher this side as well. It's never been used, looking at it. Further on, we've got a double fridge freezer standing with the microwave. You've got this hob cooker as well, and the oven, and this double stainless steel sink. Everything you can need for drinks, for food, and for all the crew. Walking through here to the master cabin, we've got your day heads here, which we'll show you in a second, but let's walk you into this humongous owner's cabin. We've got a small dressing table here, we've got these two seats and this huge island berth. This table is removable, so just here for the owner, but you can take that out if you get more space down this side. As you can tell, these huge windows both sides, and even further windows inside the hull there. Another flat screen TV, and what we'll do now, we'll walk down these stairs into the walk-in wardrobe and the huge master ensuite. Further on from this master cabin, you've got these really soft, safe stairs with the handrails. Walking here into the walk-in wardrobe, another small dressing table, then further down into this humongous ensuite. So you've got the heads this side with a separate door, and then a walk-in shower with the seat. So we'll spin you around and we'll show you that. Let's come down to the lower deck. This is the accommodation for guests and VIP suites. Down here there's 3 cabins. We've just seen the master cabin up top. We'll start you in this berth. So as you can see, currently is a double berth, and it does have sliders, so you can pull those both across, so you can have 2 single berths, and then you've got the Pullmans here for another bunk if you need it. You've got wardrobes behind you, flat screen TV, and all of these cabins have an ensuite with a head and shower, which we'll show you, and then we'll spin round to see the other berths. Let's come out of this cabin and we'll show you the last two berths very quickly. So as you can see, pretty similar to the last ones. We've got this bunk down so you can see what it looks like. So these huge brackets here, so no pole needed underneath, so you can either put your head here if you're sleeping there or flip your pillows round depending on how you want to sleep. Again, another ensuite, these huge portholes with an opening porthole as well, flat screen TV and another wardrobe. So coming into this luxurious VIP guest cabin, as you can tell, this is nearly as big as the owner's cabin upstairs. We've got the island berth, we've got this amazing settee with the dressing table and maybe the desk. Where you're standing now is another walk-in wardrobe, so a full room for the wardrobe there, and on the other side of the flat screen TV is the huge ensuite for this cabin. Here we are on the bow. As you can see, we've got this huge sun pad. You can see how many people you can fit up here. You've got this fixed table, U-shaped seating down below. If you want some coffee, you want some lunch and drinks when you're on anchor, or even if you're in the marina like we are now. We've got this amazing sky view of Dubai. Underneath you, you have the two anchor windlasses, making it nice and easy to maneuver or anchor in the perfect location. Now let's make our way out onto the Flybridge. So this Flybridge is amazing for social parties, just with family. You've got the wet bar where you're standing now with the grill. As you can see, this amazing jacuzzi. Under the shade, we've got, talking of shade, we've got another electric roof that comes all the way out onto these carbon fibre poles. You probably noticed the crane, so you can use this to lift up your jet skis. You can put anything that you want on up here. We'll spin you around so you can see the wet bar. You can also see this humongous table. You've got the fixed stools here. You've got the bar so you can be served your drinks. You've also got this electric sunroof, so it comes all the way back. So in nice weather like now, you can bring that back. If it's too hot, you can put this back for the shade. And then another helm station up the top for the crew, for the captain, and with all of the Simrad multipled up here, the balance down thrusters, all the throttles, anything you can need that's downstairs is also up here. Here we are in the engine room. As I said, you can see this is one of the cleanest engine rooms that you'll see. We've got the MTU 2000s here, so we've got two of those. We've got 3 collar 20 kVA generators. We've got a water maker, which we'll spin around and show you, which is 250 litres an hour as well. And then you can see the side power units in here. You can see the electrical converters, the immersion heaters. Everything is laid out brilliantly and much easier to walk around with these handles. You can got the ladder up onto the cockpit, or you can go where you are now into the crew cabin. So that's a wrap for this Sunseeker 95 yacht full tour. As you can see, this boat gives you luxury, it gives you comfort, and it also gives you performance with those huge MTU engines. Again, this Flybridge is one of the nicest that you will see. The accommodation is great and the master cabin really sets it off. So the full specification is on Bush & Noble's website, so you can go and see it there. I'll be doing more of these videos, so make sure you subscribe, like, and please let us know your comments below. We'll see you next time.